Good.
His head looks like he holds it nice.
He does. He's got a nice look about him. And then when you're ready, sit to canter. Perch, outside leg. Sit. All right, and then sit to trot, posting trot. Good. Nice trot. And walk. Gonna need to turn the volume off.